Niigata has been building machine tools since the year 1895, and through that, there are many vintages of machines still in operation on production floors throughout the world.
Concorde is a precision machining company that provides a number of services to multiple global OEMs. We service the transportation industry, power and energy, and capital equipment services.
We have been a manual shop. Niigata is helping us to provide better automated solutions.
It was very important to us that we had a machine that was robust, that could keep up with the rigors of cutting cast iron day in, day out, and we wanted something that was going to be very serviceable.
The name that came up the most was Niigata. Niigata provides a whole package right up to 5 axis for us.
Niigata brings large capacity, heavy duty machining solutions and horizontal machining centers to Concorde.
The thing that stands out with Niigata products is the reliability.
One of the biggest challenges at Concorde is that we sell machine time. We never want to see downtime in a machine. These machines are second to none, very robust. They've got good components in them. There's pride in workmanship. You're not going to find a better machine.
Its uptime, its accuracies, 120 plus years of tradition, and engineered solutions in horizontal machining centers.
We are running this 15-year-old machine with just the same results as the brand new machines. Concorde has a wide diversity in sizes of engines we machine.
On our Niigata machines, we run anything from 200-pound parts up to 13,000-pound parts. Niigata stands out as a company because they stand by their promises. Each time we've asked for something, they've made the commitment, they've showed up, they've delivered the machines on time, and they've delivered a quality product.
Niigata will be a part of any solution we look at.
Through our partnership with Niigata, we want to continue to cut metal, continue to get better, and continue to grow the business.
Concorde is very happy with the performance of the Niigata machines. The uptime is second to none. They are extremely reliable machines that we would recommend to others any day.